Hey guys, welcome back to Beardchanics garage. Another day at the Gonzo custom workshop, and today we are moving the sheet from the garage to the workshop.
Yeah.
So now it's officially the place to work at. And yeah, so now if you want fabrication done and you're in the area and you want to see Gonzo custom, you can come here.
Yeah.
And,
when we tell you what it is.
That's right. That's right. Until now, you can contact, link in the description. But otherwise, yeah, space getting sorted a bit more.
Getting there.
Yeah. So what's the plan again? Where is going to be what, when?
I think we're going to have 2 car storage that way. The one where that is, that's going to go.
Yeah.
And then
that is. Yeah, Rob's beautiful lowered Touran with a beautiful custom exhaust, as you can see over there.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, and then we kind of want a lift here, we said, isn't it? Just like behind where the Touran is.
Yeah. In this space here, and we've got space to work on whatever.
Yeah. Give us room to probably squeeze one here, sometime to work on, or give enough floor space to actually move around and build stuff.
Yeah, or fabrication space for other bits and pieces.
Because fabrication with tubing and stuff, you do need...
You need a bit of room.
Yeah. But a beautiful sofa already there.
Yeah, it's posh.
Already got some tires on there. Plus the van is actually full of the crap from our garage.
Yeah, all your stuff.
Yeah. We'll show you in a bit, but you know, Rob can actually do some lovely burnout with his bike. And might have tried a little bit with the Touran, as you can see here. He's a naughty boy, though, because he didn't record it. You know, still learning, you know.
Yeah.
Fabrication master, but YouTube noob.
Yeah. I like to enjoy myself. Sometimes it's spur of the moment.
That's right. Sometimes it's just private.
Yeah.
Private you don't want to know what he was doing at the same time. But yeah, I mean,
we're going to fill it up with stuff now.
Yeah, so you know, let's. When you see us in the next clip, we'll probably be a lot sweater and a lot dirtier.
As usual.
Yeah. Careful, no, he's going to drive there. That's a top view of the workshop.
It's pretty good, isn't it? Till I fall off the van.
That's the exclusive seat, so that you can spit on people that come in. And look at that beautiful mount Rob has already made. And at the moment I'm supposed to helping put stuff upstairs. Isn't that right, Rob? Come on, mate, you can do it. I've got the hard job. Oh, jeez. Oh. Little homemade tool to do. How is that called again?
Bead rolling at the end of like boost pipes.
Yeah. So that was actually a tool for something else, and then Rob has basically is still working on it. But it's basically building, as you can see here, you've got a recess there, a lift there, and then you put your pipe in there, lock it up.
And it will do that kind of bump on the end.
Yeah.
But when I make it a bit better, it won't be so
Yeah,
sharp.
yeah, you need to make this smoother essentially, isn't it? So that when it's...
And it's got to be taller in the middle, so it pushes the middle up more. So it's more like the factory one next side. It worked better. There's my third go on it. That's pretty good.
Yeah, nice.
So a bit more, and it will be usable.
That's right. Then you got the little rigs that I showed you from far earlier, but basically that way you can mount this, make nice use of it. It's not going anywhere because it's attached to all of that. And you just use the bolt on a clamp here for like stability, but basically that way you can move it whichever height you want on whichever hole you want. So pretty neat. Just got alpha rob.
Yeah.
It's a workbench feature, built-in rob. It just stays there all the time. But yeah, that's actually funny because it's kind of cool that in the original garage that was hanging like this, and in the new workshop, it is reused exactly in the same way. Ah, and there's a bike to go. Come on then. Not bad. I know, but it's just such massive bike, isn't it? Like seeing you on it is just like style, so isn't it? I guess it's taking corners got to be interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. It won't be too bad.
If you guys remember last time, I actually showed you a bit in the vlog, but now Rob is nearly done with it. I've got the chain on. Just need to finish the mount.
Little mounts there that you put a bottle cage, so you've got space for two on there. So you can put his Bluetooth speaker and his drink on there.
Yeah. And then something to go on there, or is it just going to be a cap like that?
Cut this and it gets capped off. I've got to cut them down to length when I've sorted out
the
front end.
Yeah, so they're just tiny little bit like that. Oh yeah. If you want a fancy bike like that as well, again guys, get in touch. This man can do any design you fancy really, won't they?
Yeah.
Unless they want a floating bike, I guess.
Yeah, hover bikes.
Yeah. But again, if you provide the technology and there is just the frame to go to build, then it's fine. And the little electric one.
Yeah, that one there.
Is that one you've built, or is that just a...
No, that's a normal frame with I rebuilt the back wheel because it snapped all the spokes. So
but is that like, it's a DIY kit though, isn't it?
It's a DIY kit on a thing. I just rebuilt the back wheel.
Yeah.
With really thick spokes. So, because the old ones just snapped and it pulled it through the rim and everything.
Yeah.
And then it's a normal bike.
That's a normal bike. Well, it's normal, except for the fork. And you know, it's a normal bike, but this man is going to do 100 miles on it.
On Sunday.
On Sunday. Oh, have you got a link where people can go donate actually?
Yeah, I'll put it in the
description.
If you...
Description, yeah, or I'll try to put it here on the screen, guys. But yeah, go donate as well.
It's for Cancer Research UK.
And here we go, guys. The garage where the whole Beardchanics journey started is empty. We just have the pile of soft and the pile of plastic over there to get rid of. A bit of rubbish, which I'll get rid of this week. Corvette should move to the workshop very soon. And yeah, I mean, that is the end of an era. Bigger things are coming, you know. I keep saying we've been quiet this year, guys, and we have been. Normally we should have had the new HQ in January on hammer content for you. But now we've got the workshop, and in 2 weeks from now, we will be in the new HQ as well, the double garage with powered. So not only are we upgrading from a tiny garage Beardchanics is actually two location, and you know, Gonzo Custom is going to bring you some kick-ass content as well. We've already talked about a few projects. It's going to be good, guys. It's going to be good. And little S3 update while you're there. If you haven't seen the post on YouTube, the turbo is going on Wednesday. And it's possible that Rob and I will be maybe working on the intake side as well, on the custom intake, which we've been talking about for ages for the S3. And yeah, you know, we've got a new Slam UK coming. We've got Tuner Fest. Woo! You know, some kind of like big show. So the engine bay should look pretty sick. And I'm even going to have the car clean and clean the engine bay so it actually look lovely. Anyway, guys, next time we do a vlog, we won't see this place. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you watch the vlog, I'm sure you have, but you know, it's a bollocks you have to say at the end. Subscribe and blah blah blah. Give us a like. If you did not like it, don't give us a dislike. Just go somewhere else. All right. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye. A bit of advertisement, I guess, but.
Sister.
Secular, that's why I kind of think might be good for us to have like a weekly schedule, you know.
Yeah.
Well, you know, it's not like